This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's February 11th, 2020. This one here I got a call from a guy. He's got a problem with a sink faucet that's leaking underneath. I'm not sure if it's a kitchen or a bath. Sounds to me it's probably like a kitchen sink. Maybe a sprayer is leaking or something. And got a problem with the water tank too. He says the water tank's kind of crusty on the hot water side. I know these are, in this area, they're all 75 gallon, big tanks on power venters, I believe. Anyway, I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. I got a couple of 3 faucet jobs today where they're complaining about no water flow. And them aren't always the easiest jobs to fix, but it seems like people see me on YouTube and next thing you know they're calling me to fix their stuff. So, oh, I seen you on YouTube, how do I fix it? Oh, you want to make an appointment, I can go by and take care of it for you. Anyway, we'll get you some shots.
Any water?
It's just green. Yeah, the guy never soldered the joint right. There's no water here, so it's all corroded already. Once it starts leaking, I mean, we could drain it down and change it. I mean, unless you're nervous about it, we could change it. I mean, we could drain the whole house down and do that, but I can do it. If you want to do it, we could change it. I have to cut the pipe. You know? Oh, you have to cut down here and clean it up and replace it. I mean, it's all green. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, she's definitely leaking. Oh yeah, she's leaking a lot. We'll just change it then.
Yeah.
She's time. Yeah, all right. Yeah, she's dripping. Looks like it's dripping from the supply there too. But yeah, she's pretty nasty, so we'll give it the old change out. Yeah, just black, no sugar.
So a lot of reading in the wintertime.
Dripping from the handle there.
So
The 3 things though, one thing might be making a cup of coffee.
well, no, but one thing might be making dinner for everybody. One thing might be grocery shopping.
Okay.
One thing might be,
Now, has the flow been okay through the faucet? I mean, as far as you haven't had any complaints?
As far as I know, we've been here for, I think, 4 years now.
Oh, so you didn't know the lawyer, he died before you were around, huh?
Tom Burke?
Next door.
Well, the guy next door, where I saw you doing some work.
Russell.
Yeah, that's Dexter and Sue Russell. Dexter was an engineer. He wasn't a lawyer.
No, her husband before him was a lawyer.
Yeah, Sue Russell's first husband was a lawyer.
Right. He's a leaker. Yeah, I did work over there on the air conditioner. Had mice over on the air conditioner, chewing all the wires up, you know.
Yeah.
Go over there and clean the wires up. Till the guy needs a new system. It's like, thing's 50 years old. Calls me back the next year, same shit, you know.
Your coffee's right here on the counter.
Alright, what about paper towels? I need some paper towels, yeah. Oh, that thing's slipping loose. Loose as a goose. I could probably just cut that anyway. You want to change that pipe downstairs?
your recommendation? I mean, and we just put the house on the market, so.
Yeah, they're gonna see that and they're gonna say they want it changed. If you're gonna sell the house, even though it's not leaking, it's all green and crusty.
Yeah.
They'll say something about that. They'll go on your list of things to do, right?
Right.
So I don't know if you wanna.
Probably better take rather than wait till it becomes a crisis.
Yeah, we could fix that up easy enough. Man, on my calibration, we'll fix that right up for you. Hopefully this thing comes off without a battle. Yeah. Oh man, it looks all corroded on there. It's not good. Easy. Selling the house, huh?
Yeah, my wife's getting ready to retire. Month probably. We originally bought this because.
Wow, I'm gonna have to cut it off. Oh no, there it goes. There it goes.
We recently bought it because my mother-in-law was moving in with us. And it was perfect for that.
Yeah, this is kind of a pricey area, no?
Yeah, kind of. $500,000 for most of this home. But as Dartmouth goes, it's not a whole lot pricier than a lot of other places. And we're probably going to head up to Vermont or Western Mass.
Well, if you're retired, you don't care, right?
Right.
When you go down south where it's warm.
I don't get along real well with southern folks.
You don't?
No.
Why, do they think you're rude or something? That's what they say about me. I'm very rude.
Yeah, they have said that. I lived in Florida for a short time. And
Oh my God, I can't believe how rude you are, they say. It's like I just laugh. They don't even know how people are up here. Right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're so rude. I'm rude and I enjoy it.
That's right. Take it or leave it.
I'm getting dripped on here. Well, you know, different areas have got a different slang. They talk different. I mean, it's just a different environment, right?
Yeah.
I'm brought up in a different area. I get a joke out of it sometimes, though. If you talk to me like that, I throw you out of my house. I've been doing this for 35 years, never been thrown out of a house once. I'm gonna laugh.
The time I lived in Florida, I saw 2 shootings over that I ran into on the way home.
2 shootings?
Yep. One of them ended up being a homicide, and the other, the guy was just hurt bad. He recovered, but it was just guys get pissed off and get out of the car with their guns and start blazing away.
Where was this?
Fort Lauderdale.
Shooting in Florida like that? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, you got a little scrubber?
Scrubber.
A little green scrubby?
I got a sponge thing here.
Yeah. Better to clean it up now before we put the new one on, right? Let's see what we got for snips. So where'd you get my name from?
Wow, where did you get your name? So,
Do not call list.
you did, you did work for us the first time over on Colonial Way.
Oh, okay.
And we lived across the street from.
Sorry.
That's all right. So anyway, I think we got your name from Nat Naftoli across the street where we did some work done over there. Hot water heater.
Colonial Drive.
It's in a neighborhood called Marymount.
Yeah, I know what that is. Maybe I worked there when your wife was around. Maybe you were working.
Yeah, possible.
Yeah. But you do look familiar. You get this at Lowe's, Home Depot type of stuff.
Those, yeah.
I kind of like how that locks in like that. It's a nice setup. My daughter works there at Lowe's.
It's just so much. The thing I don't like about Home Depot is it's a dirty store.
Delta. Well, then your wife picked it out, or you picked it out?
Oh, I picked her out. She, well, and then it got to be just stupidly expensive. I mean, stupidly.
Yeah, but if you get retired like that, I mean, you need something to do.
Yeah, I love to go fishing. I love to fish in fresh water.
Now, do you get the license and stuff for it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because they'll bag your ass for that, right?
They will bang your ass good. I don't have to pay for my Massachusetts license anymore, but I always make sure.
If you're, yeah, if you don't have a license and they catch you, I think it's how much is the fine?
Well, it's usually, say, a $250 fine.
Wow.
And they can impound your car. And if you have fish on you that you caught, they can charge you whatever they feel like, $50, $100 per fish. So if you get whacked with half dozen trout on you and you don't have a license, if you're an in-state resident, you could be looking at $500, $750 in fines.
Wow. Crazy, huh?
And it's all arbitrary. I mean, it's whatever the hell the judge or the magistrate feels like. If he thinks you're being a real asshole and just trying to get away with something, he's going to nail you to the wall. And if you're a Massachusetts resident and you get whacked up in Vermont for not having a Vermont license, you're going to have to sell your firstborn to pay that fine off.
Really?
Yeah.
That's Bernie Sanders' place.
They can be pretty nasty.
He's quite the character, that guy.
He is a jerk.
Socialism, everything's free.
Yeah, I mean, when he...
I think it's like $50 trillion for his plan. So if one of his reporters has said to him, how are you going to pay for it? He says, well, nobody knows how we're going to pay for it. We're just going to do it. It's like, she looks at him like, what are you, out of your mind?
Yeah.
Free health care, free college. I mean, who's going to pay the teachers? Flipping idiot.
Yeah, I mean, I think that college is outrageously expensive and there's something wrong with that. But we're not gonna get away with providing everyone a free college education. It's just
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen either. I mean, things are gonna be paid for. You just can't give shit away. I mean, because people need to make a living, right? It's nice to have shit for free, but who's gonna pay for all the colleges and the floors and the food and all that shit? I mean, I guess a working guy like me, my taxes will go up. I don't know. I just kind of laugh about the whole thing, to be honest with you.
And I can remember my grandparents and my parents.
This behind here.
After they retired and when they were no longer working, all they could talk about was their Social Security.
Yeah, if I hook that on there somewhat, a pull tie, it'll be good.
You know, when your only source of income is basically Social Security plus whatever you got in savings, be happy to wait for 2 months and.
Yeah, because you're selling the place anyways. Yeah, that's one thing when you sell a place, they go through it with a fine-tooth comb and they tell you they want this change, that change, this change, this change. And some of the stuff is just ridiculous they want done.
Yeah.
If you got an old air conditioning system, they're going to want you to have it checked, and they're going to want someone to tell them that it's going to last another 50 years, and I mean, it ain't going to happen, right?
Right.
But that's what they want. They want you to come over and inspect the system and give them a paper, and when it breaks in 6 months, they're going to say, whoa, you said it was great, it was nothing wrong with it. Some of that shit I won't do. Yeah, that's easy enough. I'd save that box in case you have to take the faucet back. You have the box.
Okay.
Shouldn't have to, but just save it for a couple of, till it's out of warranty, which is what, 30 days or something.
I like that.
It's a little tough taking the faucet back without a box.
Yeah.
I don't see any leaks. Yeah, I just want to make sure that it's not dripping, down here. I got no issues. I swear I got something to fall back on. If you call me, hey, it's dripping.
Yeah.
Alright, I think we're good.